don't worry, I did not get another car. This is just a rental. I got into a fender bender with the truck, for those of you that are newer to the channel. Truck is up at the body shop for repairs right now. Honestly, I think it's the first vehicle I've had that I've gotten into an accident with, been fully covered, and it's actually being repaired and not just totaled out. So I guess that's progress. Anywho, I figured I'd do a quick video on the rental. For those of you that might be curious, this is a 2021 Nissan Armada. Got this from Enterprise. I've had it for a week now, so don't let the condition in any way be an indication of how Enterprise delivers their vehicles to you. I'm trying to keep it clean, but I feel like it was definitely a little more fresh when I first got it. So this is the exterior. I honestly don't know much about these newer Armadas at all. In fact, there's still things I'm trying to figure out on the inside. Like I said, I figure I'd give you guys a tour for those of you that might be wondering what these are like. Hood releases down here. I think this is going to be the first time I'll actually see the engine. It's a V8. Prop. There's all that wonderful jazz. Field burn on this thing is teens. Just from what I can tell driving it around. It's the third row. It's got the remote start and everything. I'm not 100% sure what trim this is. I'm not too familiar. I guess it's the SL, so maybe slightly above. This is the key fob. Remote start, lock, unlock, rear hatch, panic alarm. I guess I'll do the rear hatch. You press and hold. There's that. LED turn signals. So I got this thing, and while I was driving it home, I guess the third row wasn't latched as the seats just kind of fell forward, and I'm just like, you know, grab handle up here, latch. I guess this is a lock function, and you can also use that to close it, or you can just use the popper. Put that back in my pocket. Interior, like I said, I figured the back seat's going to be a little messy because I kind of tend to throw things in the back there. There's that. As far as the center console in the back, there's that storage, cup holders. What do they got for options there? I guess that is radio controls. So there's that. I'll hop up the front here. So, switch light with everything closed. Give you a quick view around. The sunroof is up there. Alright, I'm going to start this thing so I can try and get the AC on and not overheat on you guys. Start it for you. I turned my Bluetooth off, so that thing might start saying, hey, turn my blower speed down a bit so the noise doesn't absolutely drown out everything. Rear view mirror. So I'm just going to kind of give you guys a quick go around of the buttons that I'm aware of that work. There's some that I still kind of don't really know about, but anyway. Side view mirrors, I don't know. I mean, I know this is an SUV, not a truck. I'm just really not a fan of the mirrors. You guys tell me. Rear view mirror, from what I can tell, it's the auto sensing and the home link and all that fun jazz. So there's that. The infotainment center. This is radio controls. This is touchscreen, I believe. yeah, just touchscreen. Then you can also control it down here with this little cursor wheel. Like if I turn the cursor wheel, you know, kind of move things around. Like I said, it's searching for my phone, so that's probably why it's not doing a whole lot at the moment. But yeah, I can show you there. If you turn the wheel, it'll do that. So a couple of options for you. Okay, on the door, I believe it lets you set 2 driver settings if you have multiple drivers. It's just me. Side view mirror controls, lock and unlock. I think I bumped one of the windows, all 4 windows, I believe. I'm not sure if they're, yeah, driver side auto down, auto up, passenger side, auto down, auto up. Oh yeah. All 4 windows are automatic on, at least for 2021 in ESO, so there's that for you. Okay, now this screen in the middle has kind of been my struggle, because navigating this thing's kind of been a pain in the butt. So, I'm just going to be honest for you. I believe you control most of the functions on the center screen using the steering wheel controls on this side. There's also a lot of audio controls on this side. You got like a back arrow, which right now that's home out as far as it'll go. If I use the scrolly, it doesn't do a whole lot. It's probably because it's not in the menu. You get more action when you do the side to side, so we'll flip through, do all the alternative displays, stuff like that. I'll get it back around to, I guess you use this to go through the menus and all that stuff. So, stuff I really haven't played with, but you know, like I said, it's a rental, so whatever. Radio seek, like if you're listening to music, or I think if you want to change the radio station. Volume controls. Cruise controls are all over here. This lets you set the adaptive cruise control. I know that much. Resume and set for cruise control functionality. Cancel. I believe this is driver controls, cruise control. Voice activation if you want to talk to your infotainment center, go make a phone call or something. Hang up button for there. Don't believe there's any buttons on the back. Over here is your turn signal and your headlight controls. It usually does stay on automatic, or actually off, but I don't really, and I guess I flipped it off inadvertently the other day, so there's that. And fog light controls, so there's that. I just said turn signal controls. For those of you that are curious, the 4-ways are over there. I may actually hop out and give you a tour of the lights again here soon. So we get the steering wheel controls. Moving up to sunscreen, sunroof. Try and get my fat fingers out of the way for you. The center control is here. So since it's closed, I'll go ahead and move it open. It doesn't really have like a detank or a stop, I don't think. I'm not sure if I just flip it if it does anything. Well, it's automatic, so there's that. So that is your center controls. You got your typical light controls up here. Turns on map light. Turns on both. I think that's a sensor that tells you your headlights are on. Not sure what that one does exactly. I think that's just your door switch. And then the other light, little SOS button over here. I believe these are microphones. Sunglasses holder. Sensor box, I'm sure. The infotainment. Kind of got all your typical radio, Sirius, AM, FM, phone functionalities. Can talk to Bluetooth. I do believe there's a USB function somewhere. Volume controls are down here. Volume you push for power. Seek. I think that just puts it in like a. Oh, okay. So, gay auto function over there. Tuner button. AC. Dual climate controls are down here. Looks like your vent selection, front rear heaters, blower speeds. Not sure what that button does, honestly. Like I said, there's a few buttons in here I'm still learning, if I'm honest with you guys. Down here is a little cubby that you can put your phone in. It does serve as a wireless charger. If your phone's charging, that light down there will light up. You have your USB connections down here. Over here is the integrated trailer brake controller. Over here is your, I haven't really played with this yet, but traction control in 4x4 modes. Cup holders back here. This is just like a little D-pad interface for the infotainment and your cup holders. So like I said, been driving this thing for about a week. I think I'll have it for another week. It's okay. I mean, it's definitely not my F350. To be honest with you, it feels kind of wishy-washy a little bit. Just kind of feels like you're driving a boat more than anything. I don't know if it's just for the illusion that, you know, Nissan wants you to be comfortable or whatnot. I'll show you guys this. That it closes, it opens, flip that up, and then your engine start stop, of course, is down there. You know, all the wonderful, you know, current era electronics. It's kind of annoying sometimes, if I'm honest. But yeah, I feel like the car gets a little wishy-washy, you know, kind of like a little floaty when you're driving it. The V8 in it has good response, you know, like if you jump on it, she'll get you up to speed in a hurry. But I mean, I definitely want to take it out racing or anything. It definitely doesn't have the handling for that. But figured if you guys were in the market for a newer car, I figured I'd show you what the newer Armadas are like, that kind of thing. So yeah, feel free to toss me any questions you have. If I still have it at the time, if I'm still driving this at the time you toss me a question, I'll see if I can figure it out for you. If not, I hope you guys are having a great day, night, week, weekend, whatever time it is, wherever you may happen to be. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bigger, very quick part 2, or a quick addition to the tour video. I forgot I was going to show you guys a view with the lights and everything. So we will cut on the lights to full on, turn the fog lights on, they're indicated down there, turn the four-ways on, and we'll go see what the exterior lights look like. At least short of the high beams. Roll down the window just in case. Here we go. Car beeping at me, let me know that it's lost the key fob. Alright, there you guys go. Hope you all have a good one.